them, the scenery is part of a daily routine. This is their commute. This is their office. This is their focus group. And this is their protein. Gold standard 100% whey.
Hello guys, I have this whey protein powder. It's very popular. This is a 5-pound bottle and it comes with a mini scoop, so it's easier to measure when you mix it. And of course it's going to be easier to mix in a shaker cup or with the spoon or in a bottle. It could easily be mixed in with milk or water. Water is going to be a little bit bland, but it does come in 24 flavors. And it comes in different sizes. There's a 5-pound one, and that's, I believe, 74 servings. And I also heard that depends what flavor. That's what depends on the servings as well. But the other one is 3.3 pounder, which is 45 servings, and the 1 pounder, which is 14 servings. As you could see, they do control the process to keep consistency, so that's very good on their part. The gold standard 100% whey delivers 24 grams of protein, has 5.5 grams of naturally occurring BCAAs, and 4 grams of naturally occurring gluten per serving, and also is gluten free. And the recommendation is you take some before and after exercise, which is to keep the muscle recovery from, for either man or woman. And also the cool thing about it, if you have an Alexa device, you could, it's optimized for workout recipes, so that's cool. And as you can see, I'm gonna leave you with the standard different flavors and the nutrition facts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. Don't be rude. Don't leave any rude comments. Once again, thank you for watching, and subscribe.